Hello, sixth grade. Welcome to religion. Everybody has completed a great project, presentation. The art slides is what I'm referring to. As you recall, we were supposed to present these in the class to our classmates and share out loud. So due to the circumstances we are in, we'll have to have these digital presentations. So the other day you went ahead and you shared them with me, and I went ahead, Miss C and I were looking them over together. In the meantime, what I like you to do is let's share them virtually. So you don't need to do anything on your end. I'm going to do everything on my end. Let me share the screen so you can see exactly what we are doing. Okay. What I would like to do each day is go ahead and share 3 presentations. So we're going to share 3 presentations a day. Okay. You're going to see, starting Monday, these 3. We're going to begin with 3 of our great friends who went ahead and completed these presentations. You will realize that some individuals have the same artist. That's okay. All right, that's fine. You're going to still jot down that information either way. Here's what we need to do. There's 3 presentations a day, okay? 3 presentations a day. So I don't want, some people that don't pay attention, maybe some people right now even skimming past the video, even though it's very short, okay? You need to make sure you listen carefully. Every evening this week until this ends, okay, until we view all of them, you're going to have 3 presentations. And what I like you to do is take a look at 3 presentations below. They do open, so click and open them, okay? I want you to reflect on each presentation. Notice I wrote each presentation, each presentation, each presentation many, many times because there's some people here that will still ask me, do we have to do this for each? But I wrote each about 20 times, but we'll still ask anyway, right? So what I would like to do here is share with you this information. So what you have here is on each of these presentations that you review, we need to have these following notes, typed or handwritten. I have the note sheet for anybody who's interested. I would like you to write the name of the artist, the dates that they lived, which are on the slides, the title of the piece, and the dates created. So if the person, like if Ava or Kylie, whoever is presenting, right, wrote the date that they went ahead and created this piece, got down the date or dates, 5 to 8 bullets on the artist, 5 to 8 on the piece, which could include what materials were used to make the piece, what is shown in the piece, who is shown in the piece. This could include the artist's faith and legacy. So basically, for each presentation, if you count it up, you need 12 bullets. Okay, that's not a lot. You need 12. So this will take full period, and that's what we're trying to do here. We had a couple reflective days with the Mass and Stations of the Cross. So what I like to know you to know is we'll have some reflective days like that, so we can really focus in on our Lord and all that He has provided us and continues to provide us, especially during this difficult time. But I need some of you to jump back in here and put in some more effort. So you're going to have 3 presentations to do, 12 bullets each, following those guidelines. That means you have roughly 36 at the end of the day, and post them. That can be typed or it can be handwritten. What I'd like you to know, okay, is when you click on the presentation and you realize it's your own. So I'm opening a presentation that's our friend Ava's presentation. And if I'm Ava, I don't need to take notes on my own, okay? Just somehow can you type to me and say, mine was presented today, so I only took notes on 2. So if you were Ava, for example, you don't need to view your own, okay? You just need to view the other 2. So if you are not Ava, and not one of the other ones that I posted, you're going to go ahead and reflect on all 3. So basically, everybody reflects on 3, and the day that you see your own there, you only have to reflect on 2. I hope that makes sense, okay? You're going to reflect on 3, but if you realize your own is there, then you only have to reflect on 2 for that day only. Otherwise, it's going to be 3 presentations per day. So everybody has 3. If it's your own, you only need to do 2, and that's going to happen once to everybody, right? Because you're always going to have yours presented once. So the notes can be typed, they can be handwritten, and so. And when you open the presentation, mine's a little bit slower because I'm recording the lesson. It consumes a lot of the energy of the system. When you go to the presentation, you know on the bottom here, the bottom here, the notes, you could use those too. So open it so you could see the presentation right here like I see. I see the opening slide. But also leave it so you could see those notes on the bottom. And you could use those for your notes. Please do not copy it and paste. Okay, it's a little frustrating. Some of the other individuals have done so. So I'd like you to avoid that. 8th grade hasn't done that yet, but we've had some individuals in 6th and 7th trying to do that. So write them in your own words. It's not difficult. So use the notes on the bottom for each person. Use the slides, basically 12 for each, 36 in total. Follow the guidelines, 3 presentations per day. Okay, it's 15 points, 5 points for each one. You basically complete them in detail. Bullets are not a name. It's not just a date. Okay, say what they are and what they mean. Connect to them deeply so you can understand the history behind these great artists in our faith. It's a great way to still present and reflect. So there you have it. That's going to be for the next few days. Keep rolling with it. Please make sure you're truthfully viewing them, and so we don't have any issues. You're looking at 3 a day, except for the day when it's your own, you have 2. Follow the guidelines, guys. If you follow, read, watch carefully, it's a lot easier than rushing through. Take care, and there you have it. Monday at 8, and the rest of the days this week, we'll have one at 8, and you'll have 3 different presentations a day. Take care.